Every Speed Shop. If you happen to have an engine or a vehicle and the fuel pump keeps acting up and overpressurizing your carburetor, it's a pretty good chance you may just be fouling out your spark plugs. But yeah, I don't know if I've talked about this yet or not, but the fuel pump on the 1 ton started putting out like way over 10 psi of pressure and flooding the carburetor, and I had to replace it. And the new replacement, the brand new pump, did the exact same thing. I'm not going to say where I got it from because it's happened at multiple places now. It's just the quality of parts these days suck. So I ended up buying a Holley little low pressure fuel regulator. The gauge, that gauge cost more than the rest of the stuff combined because it was the only one that was available locally. But should be fixed it, but now the carb is still flooding, but I got to pull it apart and make sure the float and everything's working all right. Just want to share. Thanks for watching.